In today's video, I'm going to give you 9 must-see waterfalls in western North Carolina. First up is Dry Falls, located between Franklin and Highlands. This waterfall is a short hike that leads you down underneath the waterfall. Next up is Bridalveil Falls, just up the road from Dry Falls. This waterfall can be dependent on rain, but you can also walk behind this waterfall. Whitewater Falls is located on the North Carolina and South Carolina border. Just take a short hike up to a viewing platform or head down the steps to get a closer look. It is the highest waterfall east of the Rockies. Next up is DuPont State Forest, which offers 3 waterfalls. The first one is Hooker Falls. After Hooker Falls, head across the parking lot to the trail for Triple Falls. This falls has 3 drops and is known for the Hunger Games and the Last of the Mohicans. Last up in DuPont State Forest is High Falls. This waterfall can be easily seen from the base via a trail. Looking Glass Falls is located in Pisgah National Forest right outside of Brevard. This is a popular roadside waterfall that fills up very quickly. last two waterfalls are near Cherokee, North Carolina. First up is Soco Falls. This waterfall now has a new trail that leads to the falls. Last up is Mingo Falls. This waterfall is located close to Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It does involve a lot of stairs, but it is a short hike. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.